So how's it feel to be 6 today?
Huh?
How's it feel to be 6 today?
Good.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Are you happy?
I'm happy than happier.
Oh, that's so exciting. Are you ready for your surprise?
Oh, yes, I am.
Well, hopefully...
This is going to be the best birthday ever.
Oh, that's great. Hopefully the surprise is happening very soon.
Yes, it is.
All right. Yay. Going into the rainforest. How are you feeling, Saleena?
Good.
Good? Are you excited?
Uh-huh. Yes,
Is this the best birthday surprise ever?
Uh-huh.
What do you say to Aunt Brittany?
Thank you. You're
welcome, baby.
Mason, say hi.
Say hi to her.
Hooray, hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray, hooray.
You guys are so cute.
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O.
How cool that is. Saleena, you can go up there a little bit. Just don't go too close, okay?
Come on this side, baby. Don't run.
Where's he at? Ooh, look at.
This is a mouse.
He looks like a big mouse, huh? Saleena, careful. You guys don't want to be the kids that fall down in there.
No.
Now he is gorgeous. I got a long arm, you know. Look at him. He's all furry. Do you guys like him? He's your friend? He's your friend too?
He's my friend.
He's just getting his exercise in. Walking around.
Saleena and Mason, will you stand on this bridge with this bird behind you and turn towards me so I can get your picture with him? Okay?
Oh, look at, he's back
Stand
out.
right here.
Look at the bird.
Right where the white is.
Hey, you guys stand right there.
You're dropping stuff.
Oh.
Alright, just look at me. Mason's not going. Look at me. Look at me. Here, let me wait until you type stuff. Alright, now.
Now these blue frogs are so cool.
I see snakes.
Snakes.
Yeah. It says on the chart, snakes.
Oh, that's a green snake.
That's a green snake. And it
Yeah.
says,
That is what it does. Supposed to be some frogs in here. I don't see anything, but look closely.
Now what's in here? Oh, these kind of frogs. They're beautiful frogs.
Beautiful frogs?
Yes, look. Beautiful frogs.
Those are beautiful, but they're black poisonous dart frogs.
So where are they?
Blending in with the rock.
I don't see it. Here.
Look do you see them on the trees? They're bats.
Now what are they eating in their cage?
Vegetables and fruits.
Yep, they eat
yeah.
lettuce. Look at them.
And they eat apples. Yummy.
So cool.
That is cool. They have wings to flap. They go like,
Where's the big snake? Show me.
It's right there. She's so big and she goes all the way to here. But I can't see her face.
She is huge.
Now I can see her face. It's right there. I see
Yeah.
it.
What else do we see?
Now I see it.
Why are you
What I say about
screaming?
screaming. You don't scream in the rainforest.
Now I see it.
Discover the ants. Saleena, I don't think you care about the ants. We got ants at home sometimes. But you can look inside of this microscope. This big old, not a microscope, my goodness. What is this? Magnifying glass. Thank you. I have an assistant to help me pronounce my words today.
Not like the macaroons.
Or when I couldn't say Guadalupe. My word. Can you guys see the size of this spider?
More bugs though. Come Mason, look.
Ew. Look at this one. Huge. Another one. Saleena, you like these spiders?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
They're cool.
She thinks the spiders are cool. Mommy thinks they're creepy. Tell me that wasn't creepy. Not sure what's in these. Oh, we got Mason here. Down the steps we go to see. I'm not sure what's in here. Ooh, look at the water turtles. Look at this.
Oh, I see a little turtle.
Now, do you like those turtles?
Yes, I do.
This is such a cool birthday trip.
Yes, it is. I smell pretzels.
You smell pretzels.
Yeah. I do.
Ooh, look at him.
What the? That's a big old thing. They live with them? Is that their mom?
No, that's not their mom. A thunderstorm indoors in the rainforest. Now that's cool. Coolest trip ever. Saleena is definitely loving the rainforest. Look at that. The water is gorgeous.